Where to start? Authentic self-leadership. When Maya Garu has called me and she asked me to be part of it, and I knew that this was happening about 2 weeks ago. For the past, 3-4 months, I've been thinking of improving myself because I'm stuck in life. A lot of things has been going on in my life for the past 2-3 years. So I thought somewhere I have to realize myself and I have to come out of all this, and there has to be a beginning in my life, a fresh beginning in my life, and I have to realize where I am and where I want to go. So at that point of time, I was looking at what is happening in the city of Vizag. So I joined one club and then I realized that nothing much is happening there because there's too much of politics going on there. And I thought I was looking for one more club wherein it can, bring in something positive in me, because already I'm going through a lot of things and I wanted something which can add value to me. Then I got to JCI. I was introduced to JCI Vizag, and I attended within 3 days of me becoming a member. I attended your EPS session, and that actually had helped me realize a little bit, in skills wise. And then again, when I got back to work, there is this chaos going on in my mind. I have been taking in a lot of information all throughout this past 10 years or 15 years. I have added a lot of degrees to my, resume, but didn't know where I want to be. And here I am with lot of degrees, and I know I'm capable of doing much better, a lot of value to the society, but I do not have an opportunity. Okay, and I can't risk my current job because of my personal, life. So I thought, what should I do? Because whenever I'm at work, I'm not being myself. There's a lot of chaos going on. And the reason why I'm telling you all this is to tell you how this workshop has really helped me. The first 2 hours of this workshop, I was like, okay, so I'm going to learn about authentic self-leadership. Okay, I want to see myself as a leader. So there's a lot of theory that tells us leader has to be this, leader has to be that. So within the first 2 hours, I was like, okay, so I'll be what I am. But then when you asked people to come here and tell about their experiences and what has it taught you, that timeline thing, I couldn't get up from this. But by now, towards the end of the session, when you asked me to jot down, there were so many things. But then, with the help of Ravi Garu, also he has helped me a little bit. And here I am. I think I found at least one point where I can make a start. And that can be a start to a better me. And maybe you will see me. I think I'm inspired. I'm very much inspired. I'm being very honest, I'm inspired inside, and there is that spark in me when it's like a thinking process that's going on. Uma, you can reach to a lot of heights. You have a lot of things, just be aware at every situation, be authentic to you. Don't follow whatever the books or, you have a lot of knowledge, just be aware of what you are. You are good enough for the society. Just follow your soul, and you will achieve the great heights.
Thank you so much.